how to use Netflix in different households. Now, Netflix accounts are intended for people who live in the same household, but account owners can also add extra members to share with people who don't live with them. Now, some of the ways to use Netflix in different households is by adding an extra member. So with the plan, with the standard or premium plan, you'll find an option within this Netflix browser that will allow you to add an extra member whenever you go to the account tab. So this will also include some of the third-party profiles and so on, because by default you can only add up to 5 profiles and 5 people. But if you want to add more, you can add an extra member. Once you've done that, you have to share the access code with them. So if you're away from home and want to watch Netflix, you can select the option to indicate that you're on vacation. Netflix will then send a verification code to the account holder, which you have to verify, and then you'll be able to access them on your device. And this way you'll be able to use Netflix in different households. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.